How to prepare and operate your Vulcan Electric ET Series floor model steamer. In this video, we will cover how to prepare your Vulcan Electric ET Series steamer for initial use. We will demonstrate how to operate, clean, and care for the unit. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. The ET Series floor model steamers are dual-compartment electric pressureless steam cookers that operate independently from each other and can be used separately as needed. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Important: problems setting up your drain connection and checking water pressure can lead to damage and failure of the unit. We always recommend consulting your product operation manual for any additional questions or instructions not covered in this video. Before first use. Water quality. Important: water is a customer-supplied utility. A suitable water treatment system and regular filter replacements, coupled with routine cleaning and deliming, are essential to extend the life of your unit. In accordance with the minimum preventative maintenance required under the warranty, a scale blocker filter should be installed every 6 months and delimed based on the water quality being supplied. When properly maintained, the scale blocker, sold exclusively by Vulcan, will extend the life of the steamer warranty on water-related issues from 1 to 2 years, per the initial registration agreement. Make sure the scale blocker is registered on the Vulcan website using the serial number of your steamer. Note: proper water quality can improve the taste of the food prepared in the steamer and help reduce liming in the steam generator and extend equipment life. Drain connections. Setting up the drain connection is an essential process to prevent water backup. Verify the drain connection is installed correctly. Note: Vulcan recommends using a 1.5-inch copper or galvanized NPT threaded fitting on the condenser box that must be extended a minimum of 12 inches and a maximum of 72 inches away from the steamer base to an open air gap type drain. Provide a suitable floor sink with a minimum depth of 12 inches. The floor sink is not to be directly under the steamer and should be at a distance so that steam vapors will not enter the steamer from underneath. The drain should slope down away from the steamer a 1/4 inch for every foot of drain pipe length. It is recommended you review the drain line installation and water pressure guidelines in the operation manual, as these are essential components of the steamer. If questions or any discrepancy is noticed, please contact your authorized service provider for more information. Operation. Main power switch. The main power switch turns power to the unit on and off. When turned on, the power light will illuminate an amber color and the steam generator will begin to fill and preheat to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. After the generator is preheated, the green ready light will illuminate and the steamer is ready to be used. When the main power switch is turned to off, the power light will turn off and the generator will start to drain and activate the condensate valve to cool down drain temperatures. This process will typically take around 15 minutes before completion. Timer. Turn the timer knob to set the desired cooking time. Time can be set between 0 and 60 minutes. When the timer reaches 0, the buzzer will sound and steam will stop entering the cooking compartment. To silence the buzzer, turn the timer knob to the off position. When the timer is set to the constant steam position, the steamer will steam continuously and no buzzer will sound. The steamer will continue to run until the timer is turned to the off position. Ready light. After the unit is powered on, the ready light, located on the front panel, will illuminate green when the steamer is ready for use. The cooking light, located to the right of the ready light, will illuminate red to indicate the steamer is cooking. Warning: the steamer and its parts are hot. Use care when operating, cleaning, or servicing the steamer. The cooking compartment contains live steam. Stay clear while opening the door. Preheating the cavity of the steamer. It is important to preheat the cooking compartment whenever the compartment is cold or before the first use of the day. After the unit has powered on, wait for the ready light to illuminate green and then set the timer to 5 minutes. The cooking light will illuminate red, and when the buzzer sounds, turn the timer to the off position. You have now successfully preheated the steamer and are ready to cook. Steaming. Once the unit is preheated, place pans of food into the cooking compartment and close the door. Set the timer to the desired cooking time to start cooking. If the door is opened during cooking, the cooking cycle will be interrupted and the timer continues to run. Close the door to resume the cooking cycle and open the door after the timer is complete to remove the food. Note: when steaming food products, perforated pans are recommended. Foils or plastic wrap should be avoided. Cleaning and shutdown. When shutting down the steamer, set the main power switch to the off position to power down the unit. The power light will turn off and the generator will begin draining. This will activate the condensate valve, which will help cool down drain temperatures. Leave the compartment door open after shutdown to allow the inside compartment and silicone gasket to dry out. To clean the unit, wipe down the cavity and gasket with a soft, lint-free cloth or paper towel. Important: power supplied to the steamer must remain on for 15 minutes after the main power switch is set to the off position. This will allow the drain cycle to complete. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Electric EA steamer. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.